welcome to Melbourne. Catch you later. And hello from Melbourne. I just checked into my hotel. Basically, I could not be bothered recording from Auckland to Melbourne because it was 3:30 in the morning when I left and I was half asleep. Finally got here and I am super tired. It is currently 11:30 in Melbourne, and yeah, so I'm just meeting up with Mempreet. Mempreet's the one who went to Japan with me. I do have a big trip planned ahead. Currently in Melbourne, then I'm going to Nepal for a 5-day hike, and then my parents are going to join me there, and then we're all going to Singapore, Malaysia, Bali, and then we're coming back to New Zealand. So pretty stoked for an awesome holiday. The hotel I just checked into is called Abode Hotel in St Kilda in Fitzroy Street in Melbourne. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't that impressed when I walked in. Like yeah, it doesn't look like what it looks like in the photos basically, and I thought I was more in city centre, but I'm actually 10 minutes away from city centre. I'll show you the hotel room. The inside of the room isn't bad, but the outside, there's no lifts here. I literally had to carry my suitcase up, and I'll show you my suitcase. So this is my backpack though, but that's actually what's in my suitcase. Quite heavy, but yeah, this is my room. So there's a little table here. Love the bed, and I love this art piece right here. A little kitchen. I've put my clothes out. I'm gonna have a shower soon. And toilet over here, and then there's a shower here. So I mean, it's small but cute, but whatever. I'm okay with this. The view, to be honest, it's a view of outside in the streets, and I'm showing you through the curtains, but there you go, that's the view. Not much of a view. This place wasn't badly priced. It was probably $90 a night. I'm staying here for a total of 3 nights, and then on my final day I actually have a flight, but it's at night time basically, so I have 4 full days here. So we just ate at this place called Matcha, and we forgot to pay, and we walked out and they didn't say anything, so we're just going back to pay. So that's the restaurant right there. It's the face of a thief. Left without paying. But they didn't even realize it. Oh god. Nowhere to go when you want free food, guys. Floating down the river in your red canoe. You were laughing at my stories, back from my youth. Yeah, and I remember thinking to myself that you were the one. Oh, you were stunning. You were. Hi guys, so we are at Docklands at the moment. It's a shopping centre. There's really cool things to do here. So there's like Artvo, which is like a holographic art place, like 3D and stuff like that. And then there's a glow-in-the-dark golf place, which you're gonna lose in. Hey, I'm pretty good at golf, by the way, so yeah. So just back from dinner, we went Sara Van Bhavan to have dinner, and that was having dosa and South Indian food basically. Finally back in my hotel. I'm gonna go to sleep. I am tired, knackered. I'm actually kind of scared to go to sleep because like my room is outside a bus stop and you can actually hear people, but I've literally locked my hotel room. I hope I can actually sleep. So basically all of this is holographic. You stand there and the photo actually looks pretty cool. So I'm just leaving Docklands to go to Victoria Markets, which is not that far from here. Oh, that one time on the west coast in the dead of night, we were watching cruise ships gently pass us by. Oh, and I remember gazing at your face What's up? What's up? So I did forget to vlog and start my day, but today I've been to Artvo in Docklands. So I went back to the mall that I went to yesterday. Artvo is basically like a 3D art place. It's places where you can like stand in one corner and it looks like you're falling down into a hole. Then after Artvo I went to Queen Victoria Market, which was quite nice. I did buy a facial wash which is completely natural, and then I bought some necklaces. After Queen Victoria Market I went and caught a tram to go to Hosier Lane. So caught that tram. Initially was going to catch the wrong one, and then the driver's like, you have to go to the other side. So I went to the other side. I got off too early, and then I basically had to walk to Flinders Street, which was probably about 8 minute walk, I guess. I finally got to Hosier Lane, and there's a really cool shop there which I didn't realize last time. Maybe it was closed last time, but a really cool shop for like streetwear. I did buy a beanie from there, but I'm trying not to buy big things because my luggage is completely full, which reminds me I kind of broke my zip a bit today, and I hope that my suitcase doesn't fall apart before I leave because it's got another 5 countries to go to. I'm gonna go down and grab some food outside my hotel. So yeah, another day tomorrow. I'm meeting up with my auntie. Catch you later.
There was nothing else I wanted to do. There was nowhere else I